the book, okay? I'm going to share with you my screen. Can you see? Can you see, students? I am sharing with you my screen.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Let's start with today's class, okay? Let's start, and please, before anything, let me start with the book, please. As you can see on your screens, this is the title of our book, okay? I decided to use this book with you because I think that here in this book we can find a lot of words that can be useful for you, and of almost moreover, we can find some useful expressions too. Okay, so that's why I think it could be a good idea if we use this book. Okay, but I want to explain this. We are not going to use all. We are not going to do all the units in this book. Okay, because let me show you here. I'm going to show you that in this book there are 12 modules. Okay, so this book is divided in 12 modules. Okay, each module has three main lessons. Okay, but because of the time, I don't think that we can finish with this book. That's why I'm going to just choose some units, 4 units exactly. Okay, we are going to develop, we are going to learn, we are going to work only four units, 4 modules of this book. Okay, so of course I'm going to those modules that I think that can help you to understand, to develop your vocabulary, your technical vocabulary, to be ready for the exam and for you to help you. Okay, so that's why I decided to begin to start with the book, but in unit or module 4. Okay, so that's why I send you a PDF with unit 4. Do you have your unit 4? I mean, printed or download? Let me see. Here we are. Just a minute. Let me show you the unit that we are going to start. Okay. So I imagine, I suppose that you are ready with your material, okay? Because I've sent you a PDF with this material and some other documents too, because that's what we need for today's and for tomorrow's class, okay? So don't forget that it can be a good idea, it can be great if you can print this unit, okay? Or if you can't print, please, you can download in this case, okay? Si no pueden imprimirlo, entonces pueden descargarlo, okay? So this is our material, and we are going to develop these 2 weeks. We are going to work on this module 4, okay? So please let me ask you a question. Please, can you raise your hands? Those who are ready with the material? Who has the material? Who's ready with the material? Can you raise your hands? Please.
Teacher, do you mean printed?
Printed or downloaded, okay? Imprimido o impreso o descargado. Please raise your hands.
Creo que está mejor, Lice, en descargado.
Okay. Maybe it's better, no? Okay. So I'm going to suppose that you already have this, okay? Okay. For example, I am looking in my list here that Sebastian has the book, okay? Sebastian is ready with the book. Okay, so let's start and please let's look at page 37, 36, I'm sorry, 36, the first lesson, okay? Today we are going to work this. Okay, the title of this module, the first lesson is International Business. Okay, so today we are going to talk. We are going to start with some speaking because I want to ask you some questions. Okay, then you will see that you will have a lot of useful exercises that are going to help you, especially to develop your technical vocabulary. Okay, so let's start, please. Let me ask, please pay attention to your names. I'm going to try to talk with some of you, okay? For example, please, Angel Pacheco, can you please open your microphone? Angel, are you there? Angel? Say hello, Angel. Hello, Angel. Can you speak? Okay, Angel is not there. Camilla Itai, please. Hello, Camilla. Can I ask you some questions? Camilla? Okay, it's not there. And Rodrigo Olmos. Can you say hello, Rodrigo? Rodrigo? Are you listening, Rodrigo? Rodrigo? A ver, por favor, quiero saber si me están escuchando, porque tal vez no me escuchan y por eso sus compañeros no me contestan. ¿Están escuchando?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Ya, a ver, ya. Nuevamente voy a repetir, por favor. Hay que estar atentos a sus micrófonos, porque si no, yo voy a tardar más tiempo en una sola unidad, en un solo ejercicio, y en lo realmente importante no vamos a poder pasar más tiempo, jóvenes, por favor. Miren, lo que voy a hacer es lo siguiente. Voy a nombrar a alguien. Si esa persona no me contesta, quiere decir que lastimosamente no está ahí. Su nombre está escrito, bien escrito en mi lista de participantes, pero no está, porque es tan fácil hacer un clic al micrófono y ya está listo, habilitado. No veo por qué tengamos que tardar, ¿no es cierto? Entonces, si no contesta, yo le voy a poner como falta hoy día. ¿Está bien? ¿Está claro? Ya, entonces, todos debemos estar atentos, por favor, atentos, atentos. Ya saben, si yo pido que todos prendamos el micrófono, imagínense lo que va a hacer esto. Nadie va a poder escuchar nada, ¿ya? Por eso es que pasamos con micrófono cerrado, pero cuando se nombra a alguien, esa persona, ese estudiante, tiene que habilitar su micrófono inmediatamente para que pueda interactuar con la teacher. ¿Ok? Did you understand my message? Yes? Okay, yes. Now, Rodrigo, are you there? Rodrigo? Okay, Rodrigo's not here. Sorry. Okay, please. Aleida Cervantes, are you listening? Aleida, hello? Okay, Aleida is not here. Falta para Aleida entonces, okay? And Kristen Calderon?
Hi, teacher.
Hello, Kristen, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Kristen, I want to ask you a question, okay? We are going to do a reading exercise, but before reading, I want to prepare some kind of information, to develop this reading exercise, okay? That's why I want to start to prepare the reading. I want to start with some questions, okay? Kristen, do you have a computer at home? Do you have a computer?
¿Cómo? Ay, me he olvidado responder.
Yes,
I don't.
I do. Yes, I do. If it is yes,
do not.
yes, I do. Mhm. Do you have a computer at home, Kristen?
No.
No. Do you have a cell phone?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Yes. Yes, I do. Okay. Yes, I do. And so, if you have a cell phone, can you see, please, where was it made? ¿Dónde fue hecho? Where was it made? Where was your cell phone made?
My cell phone.
Was made. Fue hecho. Fue fabricado, quiere decir. Was made.
Made in China.
China. Okay, China. Okay. Can you repeat now, please?
My cell phone we made in China.
Okay, that's right. Thank you, Kristen. Thank you very much. Now, please, can we talk with Reina Ayarachi? Reina? Hello, Reina. Reina, no está. Ok, Roberto Reinaga. Roberto, hello. Okay, Roberto is not here either. Christian, Andy? Christian, can you say hello? Christian? Christian Sandy? Okay, Christian Sandy isn't in the class either. Okay, now, any volunteer? Now, I'm not going to name, but I want to talk with one of you. Any volunteer? Voluntarios? Who wants to answer my question? Okay, hello, Delina.
Hello, teacher.
How are you? Good morning, Delina. Okay, Delina, we are, I am trying to just put you in a context, okay? Ponerlos en un contexto. We are trying to talk about imported things that we importamos, and things that we export, okay? That's the idea, to have a context, I mean, okay? Let me ask you, for example, Delina, talking about our country, okay? Let's talk about our country. What things, what items does our country import? What do you know? Can you say, can you tell us what kind of things, qué cosas, what items does Bolivia import? Delina, for example?
Bolivia import mobile phones, computers,
Mobiles. Then what else?
mobile phones.
Phones. Yes, that's right. Then
Computers,
yes.
many things.
Oh, many things. Phones, computers, refries, ovens. What else can we say? Telephones. Many things, no, Delina?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Delina, does Bolivia import clothes? Clothes? Ropas?
Yes. Yes.
Delina, for example, what? What do you think we import?
Bolivia imports clothes of Argentina.
Okay, from Argentina, from China maybe too?
Yes, China, Europe,
Okay.
France.
What clothes do we import? What clothes do you think Bolivia imports? Thank you, Delina. This is a question for everybody, okay? Delina says that Bolivia imports clothes too, not only technology, but clothes too, okay? For example, the question for everybody is, what kind of clothes that Bolivia imports? Who wants to tell us? What clothes? Can you give us examples of what clothes that Bolivia imports? Ideas, please, very quickly. Volunteers?
Yo, teacher.
Okay, please go on. Examples?
Teacher.
Okay, go on, please. Camilla, no? Camilla is talking. First, Camilla, then we are going to listen.
Bolivia import clothes.
Uh-huh. Sorry, Camilla, we can't hear. I'm sorry, Camilla. You have problems with your microphone. Okay, let's now listen to Carelis, creo que quería hablar, no? I think. Carelis, do you want to talk? Good morning, Carelis. Please, can you give us some examples? Camilla was trying to tell us, but there was a problem with her microphone, okay? Carelis, please, give us examples.
For example, Club American imports clothes Peru.
From Peru, yes. For example, from Peru, what clothes do we import from Peru?
And this, the street,
Yeah.
big clothes.
For example, tennis. Do you think that Bolivia imports tennis from
teacher.
Peru?
Yes, teacher.
A lot of clothes, okay? So we can conclude that Bolivia imports a lot of clothes. For example, t-shirts, tennis, no? Many things, no? Okay, so we have an idea, okay? We already have the idea, the central idea. We are going to talk about import and exports. Okay, of course, Bolivia import many things, but we can export other things too. Okay, now please let's start with our first exercise. Please, can you see in? Let's start and let's move to exercise 3. Okay, we are going to start with exercise 3. Okay, so do you remember that 1 or 2 days ago I've sent you a document with the new vocabulary? Do you remember? And I did because I think that if you can check, if you can study the new vocabulary before the class, this can help you a lot to understand the exercises in the class. Okay, that's why, please, I'm going to ask you again, be honest and check it, please. Okay, because this is going to help us to save some time in ahorrarnos tiempo, okay, in our classes. Okay, now I hope you did. Okay, yo espero, tengo la esperanza que hayan hecho. Okay, so just to be sure, let's check. Let me ask, please, let's check if we are ready with the vocabulary. In exercise 3, we have a list. Please, can I speak to Luis Espada? Luis Espada, say hello, please. Luis. Okay. Again, falta para Luis. No está. Okay, let's try with another student very quickly, please. Nicole Balda, can you say hello? Nicole? Nicole? Are you there? Nicole? No, Nicole is not here, okay? So let's ask to Libertad America. Wow, that's a nice name. Libertad, are you there? Okay, sorry, but I'm so sorry, but Libertad is not here. Okay, volunteer. Voluntarios entonces. It's just to help us with the new vocabulary here in exercise 3, where it says producer, wholesaler, customer, retailer. It's just to check the meaning because this is our first exercise, okay? So I want to be sure that you understand all these words to develop the exercises, the sentences in number 4, okay? Any volunteer? ¿Voluntarios? Rápido, por favor. Tenemos una sola hora. Recuerden, please.
Teacher, I can
Okay, hello.
Hello, good
Hello,
morning.
what's your name? Sorry, where are you? Let me see.
Sebastián Lucas.
Okay, Sebastian. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, teacher.
Okay, can you help me to check the new vocabulary, please, in exercise 3, Sebastian? Okay.
Okay.
What does producer mean?
Productor.
Okay, can you read the word and tell us the meaning, please?
Producer. Productor.
Okay.
All the words?
See, please. Yes,
Okay.
please.
Consumer is consumidor.
Okay.
Wholesaler. I don't remember the meaning of that word.
Okay, I'm going to help you. Don't worry. Wholesaler means mayorista.
Mayorista.
Okay? Mayorista. Okay.
Customer is...
Okay, customer. Customer.
Cliente.
Uh-huh.
Retailer is revendedor.
Revendedor o minorista.
Minorista.
We can say that is we can say that in some way is the contrary of wholesaler. Wholesaler is mayorista and retailer is minorista. Al detalle, we can say. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Warehouse. Almacén.
Yes.
Customs. Aduana. Port. Puerto. Clothing. Ropa.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, thank you for your help, Sebastian. Now, I'm sure that your classmates are ready for the exercise 4, okay? So, we are going to develop this first exercise that consists on complete the sentences here with one of these words in exercise 3, okay? Your classmate, Sebastian, helped us with the meaning, so we are sure. Now, let's say 3 minutes to complete this. For example, I'm going to do one example for you, okay? For example, in number 1, it says, Rotterdam is the biggest in Europe. So here I can complete with port, okay? Rotterdam is the biggest port in Europe. Okay, with this example, please, can you finish 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8? Let's give us 3 minutes. And after these 3 minutes, I'm going to ask you, some of you, to tell us the answers in order to check. Okay, because we want to be sure that everybody has the same answer. Okay, 3 minutes, please. If you have any question, I am here. Please just ask me, okay? I am here.
Teacher, one question, please. What does retailer mean?
Okay, I'm going to remind you. Retailer means detallista, o sea, vendedor en minoritario, al por menor, podemos decir, maybe, retailer. Minorista. Okay? Vendedor al detalle también.
Gracias.
Okay,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome. Yes? Yes? Question?
Number 3 sería your business rival is your competitor.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Mhm. Go on, please. Are you ready with your answers? Ready? Have you finished? ¿Terminaron?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Let's check, okay? Let's check. Please, your classmate already told you the answer for number 3. She said your business rival is your competitor. Huh? In number 3, competitor. Your business rival is your competitor. Let's check the other numbers, okay? So any volunteer to tell us number 2? How can we complete in number 2? Volunteers, please, very quickly.
Hi, teacher.
Hello.
Producer.
Okay, number 2, please.
Retailer sells products
Retailer, a retailer sells products direct to the public.
Yes, that's right. Ooh, I had 2 volunteers. Retailer, no? In number 2, retailer. Thank you. For number 4, please. Volunteer to read your answer for number 4.
A consumer is the end user of goods.
Okay, a consumer, no? A consumer is the end user of goods. Thank you very much. Volunteer for number 5. Hello? Who wants to tell us number 5?
Japan, Japan is a major producer of
Electrical goods, shoes, as audio products.
Sorry, can you repeat, please? Number 5? Japan is a major?
producer
Okay. Go on, go on. Off?
of
Electrical goods, shoes, as audio products.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, so number 5 is producer. Number 6, please. Number 6. Volunteer for number 6.
our
Me,
house
teacher.
Okay.
a place.
Who's speaking? Who was the first? ¿Quién era primero?
Me.
Okay, go on, please.
Our house is a place where things are kept before they are sold.
Thank you very much. Very good. Warehouse. Okay. Who wanted to participate? ¿Quién quería? Who wanted? For number, let's say number 7, maybe you can try. Volunteer for number 7. Very quickly, please.
Me, teacher.
7. Okay, go on.
There is no customs control between EU countries.
Thank you very much. Very nice. Customs in number 7. And the last one, 8, please. Volunteer for number 8. 8 wants to read for us. Number 8 is very easy because it's only one word that is here. So, volunteer for number. Okay, go on. Number
A wholesaler buys from manufacturers and supplies retailers.
8. Wow, that's nice. Very good. So, wholesaler. Okay, so now we have checked this exercise in number 4. Okay, so to finish with today's class, because don't forget that we have only 1 hour today, I'm going to let you work individually at home. Okay, so how you are going to read these paragraphs, this text about industry, about the crisis industry in Europe, and you are going to read this as many times as you need. I mean, if 1 time is okay, that's right. If you need twice, read 3 times, read 4 times. That's why I am telling you that this exercise you are going to work individually. Okay, so after reading and understanding this, answer answer the sentences here in number 6. No, it's not to answer. It's to decide if the sentences are right or wrong or doesn't say. Okay. So after reading the exercise, this text, you will do exercise. Okay. So you have to read the sentence carefully and decide if the sentence is right, wrong, or doesn't say. Doesn't say means that there is no enough information. Okay. Cuando no hay suficiente información van a elegir esto. Doesn't say. Okay. Please do this for tomorrow, and tomorrow we are going to start here checking your answers. Okay. So it means that today we are going to have just one session online. I mean together, and the rest of the class, the rest 20 minutes, you are going to work alone. Okay. Any question? Did you understand?
Yes,
Student?
teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we don't come back, okay? No regresamos. Se quedan trabajando de manera individual el resto del tiempo, okay? In this reading exercise, please. Okay? Don't forget that you have the new vocabulary. You have the document with the new vocabulary, and you can check the new words there in that document. Okay? Any question?
Teacher, homework for tomorrow.
Tomorrow we are going to have classes at 9. Okay? Okay, we start at night till 11 tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to start with this checking your answers to this exercise 6. Okay? Okay, so thank you very much. That was all for today. See you tomorrow.
Bye, teacher. Take care.
See you,
Bye.
teacher.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. See you.
Bye, teacher.
Mhm.
Listen, una
Yes.